I have an amazing Oreo cake donut for you today. They're light and fluffy, not dense like typical gluten-free treats. Stay for a super delicious donut recipe. Hello, I'm Rox of Rockstar Bakes. If you're new, my passion is helping you make sweet treats. Because adults need cute things too. Cute and sweet things? Cute, sweet things? I did a YouTube poll and apparently my community wants white cake donuts with gluten-free Oreo cookies folded in. So let's talk my first tip in donut batter. Grease your donut pan with shortening. I like this one and keep in the fridge until it's time to distribute the batter. This will help the donuts easily release after baking. Make sure everything is room temperature. Combine your butter and sugar. Add half the egg whites and mix. Add the second half of the egg whites and clear vanilla extract and mix. Clear vanilla extract is what gives Oreo filling that perfect nostalgic flavor. Recipe link below. Add a third of the dry mixture to the batter and mix to just incorporated. Add half of the liquid and mix until just incorporated. Add the second third of the dry, the liquid, then finish with the dry. If the batter curdles, then the ingredients might not be at room temperature. I wrap this and place in the fridge. Something about refrigerating the dough, it's a similar trick to muffins, gives more of a dome shape. Okay. Ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Oh no, I just lost some Oreos to the ground. The frosting creates air pockets in the donuts, so I remove it. This part's relaxing for me. Fold your cookies into the batter. This is when I would preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. Distribute batter into the cold donut pan. I like distributing with a piping bag. Make the hole in the piping bag big enough. I didn't this time around. And it's not always perfect, so I go back and even out the cookie chunks. Then bang the batter to release the extra large air bubbles and also fill the edges. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or use a toothpick to see if the baking is complete. Let donuts cool for 5 minutes, then flip over onto a piece of parchment. This recipe makes about a dozen donuts. So of course, I tested these like I test every recipe. The first time I flipped them, I forgot that doing this onto a cooling rack would mean they would get stuck in the grates. Releasing while they're warm helps them all come out in one piece. I make sure they're not touching while they are cool or they stick together. Icing! Sift your powdered sugar. Whisk together the powdered sugar and warm, heavy cream. I'd say this is pretty viscous, you can see it here. If it feels too runny, add a tablespoon more of the confectioner sugar. I dip the donut and hold it above for a second to let it drip off. Then I flip it over and place it on a cooling rack to let drip. Add those gluten-free Oreos on top while the frosting is wet. dries fairly quickly. Sprinkles are optional, but I'm gonna put these on a couple. These are the most awesome eat in the day up, but you can keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Whoa, MG. Gluten-free Oreo cake donut success. You can freeze non-frosted donuts and let them get to room temperature when you're ready to eat them. If you love Oreos, I have an awesome Oreo cake recipe video. Okay. Okay. If you took anything away from this video, subscribe please. Thanks for helping me hit 1,800 subscribers. Woo! Yay. Coming up is a dessert idea playlist that I'm always adding tasty videos to. Thanks for joining and see us soon. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.